How do I make my business grow? How do I make my business grow? This was a question someone asked online. How do I make my business grow? I want to let you know how you can make your business to grow. Number one thing you must do to make your business to grow is that when you have a business, you must take a stock of that business. A lot of people have business and they don't have a stock of their business. I'm talking of inventory. Taking a stock of your business is number one thing you should do. Do you know the number of Milos you have in your shop? For example, if you are running a provision shop, do you know the number of tins of Milo in your shop? Do you know the number of Bombita in your shop? Do you know the number of sugar in your shop? Do you know the number of products you have in your shop? These are the things you need to know. For you to do that, you need to get a big long note, then write all the products you have in your shop. Write them down. Then divide the sheet into two. One side is all the products you have in your shop. The other side is the number of products you sell in a day. That is how to take stock. So you should be able to know the number of products you have in your business, and you'll be able to know the number of goods you sell in a particular day. So that if you do not sell, you'll be able to know. So that when you sell, you know the number of products that have gone out from your shop, and you'll be able to know the number of products you have in your shop remaining. And when those products are going down, they are getting finished, you'll be able to know that, look, I have 5 things of make, but now I have 2. I need to replace it. That is the essence of you taking stock. Number 2 is that you must have a quality products. Make sure you have a quality products. Don't sell fake products. Your products must be quality. When you go to the market to buy and you want to make sales, don't go and buy cheap products that are fake. Make sure that all your products are original, so that once somebody come in your shop, the person will buy and go and tell others that this man sells quality things. Yes, fake things may be cheap. Things are very difficult. People like to buy cheap things. Yes, but you can tell them, look, there's another one that it says so amount is cheaper, but it's not original, and I don't sell such things. This is the one I sell. I will advise you to buy it. Go and try it. You'll come back with a testimony. So you should be able to sell. Your products must be original. Don't sell fake products if you really want to sell. Another thing you must do is to make sure that your customers get your products. Whenever they come into your shop to buy, make sure that what they ask you, you have it. Some people have businesses, but you come and ask them, do you have tin of Milo? They will say no. Do you have sugar? They say no. Do you have this? They say no. Then how can you sell? Such a person will go home, and when he wants to come and buy next time, he will say, this young man or this lady does not actually always have what I need. There is no need of going there. Let me go to a place where I'll go and get all the things I need. So this can discourage a customer. So if you want to make sales, if you are selling a provision shop, for example, you must make sure that all the provision items are made available. So when they come and ask you, do you have tin of Milo? You will say yes. Do you have sugar? You say yes. Do you have this and that? You'll be able to say yes, so that they'll be happy. They don't need to buy and start looking for elsewhere to buy. This is what will make your business to grow. Another thing you must do is to make sure you tell people about your products. Very important. Tell people about your products. Tell them you have a good product. This is the product I have, is good. Be able to convince people that you have a good product. You can open a WhatsApp, YouTube. In YouTube, you can open a YouTube account and advertise your product. You can open a TikTok account and advertise your product. You can even advertise your product in Facebook. Yes, you advertise it. Tell people about your product. Advertise your product, so that people who do not know where to get such product, or who don't know where they can come and get the original product, they can come and locate you. Tell them where you are. Tell them your address. Tell them this is what you sell. They will come. They will trace you and buy. By so doing, you will be able to make good sales within a short time. Another thing that will make your business to grow is that you must give 80% of your time to that business. You must give 80% of your time to that business. Your business must be your priority. Give 80% of attention to your business. Make sure things are done well. Make sure customers get their product. Make sure that you serve the public and you serve them well. When you give total attention, 100% or 80% to your business, definitely your business will definitely grow. The products that you have, the products that you sell, make sure that those products are available. Don't allow a customer to come to your shop and they will ask you, do you have sugar? They know you have been selling sugar and they have been coming to buy sugar from you, but now they come, do you have sugar? You say no, it's finished. Do you have a tin of bombetta? You say no, I just finished selling it. No, you will discourage that customer. Make sure that all the products they have been buying for you is always available. That is why you need inventory. That's why you need to take stock, so that when you are selling, you know the number of products that remain, and you find out that your tin of geisha is remaining one or two. It's a time for you to go to the market and replace it. Make sure that your products are available to your customer, so that when they come, they ask you, do you have this? You'll be able to serve them. By so doing, your business will have no option than to grow. Another thing you can do to make your business to grow is that you must be friendly to your customers. Very, very important. You must be friendly to your customers. A lot of people who owns business, they are not friendly. When you come to buy something in their shop, they will look at you. When they ask you, how much are you selling this? They will say, tell you the price. And when the person frowns, they will get angry and say, if you don't want to buy, you can go. If you don't want to buy, that is the price. No, be friendly. Let your customers see your friendship with them. When they see your friendship with them, they will have joy and happiness to come and buy from your shop. So be friendly with your customers. This will improve them, encourage them to always come and buy from your shop. You must be able to convince a new customer who has come to your shop on a new product. If you have a new product which you have tested and you have found out that this product is very good and you buy it in large quantity, when a new customer comes to your shop or to your business, be able to convince that new customer. Tell him the benefit of that particular product. Tell him that you are giving him that to go and test, because you will have tested it. Be able to convince your customer on a new product in your business, so that the customer can buy that product and go and use it. And if it's good, he's going to tell other people about that product and they will come and buy more from your shop. I hope by this you'll be able to make more sales in your business. If you enjoy my video, please, if you are watching me in YouTube, I want you to subscribe. If you are watching me in TikTok, I want you to follow me. If you are watching me in Facebook, I want you to follow me. Don't forget, I'm your humble teacher, your financial coach. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.
Is this your first time visiting my channel? Please like, click on the red subscribe button and the bell close to it. Subscription is free. Thank you.